Here's a knocking indeed. If a man were porter of Hellgate, he should have old turning the key. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? I the name of Beelzebub. Here's a farmer that hanged himself on the expectation of plenty. Come in time, napkins, and now about you. Here you'll sweat for it. Knock, knock. Who's there in the devil's name? Faith. Here's an equivocator that could swear on both the scales against either scale, who committed treason for God's sake, yet could not equivocate to heaven. Oh, come in, equivocator. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Faith. Here's an English tailor come hither for stealing out of a French hose. Come in, tailor. Here, you can roast your goose. Knock, knock. Never quiet. What are you? But this place is too hot for hell. I'll devil porter it no further. I had thought to have let in some of all professions that go the promise way to everlasting bonfire. I pray you remember the porter.